Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use Affirm on Amazon. So first things first, go ahead and pick a certain item that you like to order. I'll choose this one. Then now add to cart. Let's go to our cart and then let's go ahead and proceed to checkout. And then here you're gonna have to use the payment method as Affirm. I'm gonna click here the check button. And then now I'm gonna click on use the payment method. And then now I already chose it. Then now we can continue to application. And then here you're gonna provide your number and you're gonna provide more information along the way in order to proceed. And if this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.